Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So in this video today, I am going to be making some warm colored resin dominoes. I don't know if you saw my cool colored resin domino video, but if you didn't, check it out. I posted it very recently. So I'm starting off by adding in some clear resin. This is Mixed Media Girl Artist Resin, and I filled these about halfway full. I then went ahead and sprayed with 91% isopropyl alcohol, which helps to get rid of the air bubbles. You can use a heat gun if you wish, but don't use a torch as it will ruin your mold. As soon as you are satisfied that at least most of the air bubbles are out, you can go ahead and start putting in your colors. These are various alcohol inks. I'm using Ranger and Pinata here, and I'm using all warm colors. So I did yellow, orange, red. I'm layering with some white in there as well, which can give it some depth and just additional color. And then purple and another different kind of red. You can use any colors that you want whatsoever. You can mix and match. You can add metallics. It is totally up to you. Have fun with it. I let this layer fully cure. I then went ahead and added a solid layer of a pearl pink on the background there. So that's why you see that the backs look pink and then the fronts have all the fun colors. So I filled in the rest of the mold with the pearl pink, let that cure, and then went ahead and demolded. This mold is awesome. It's super easy to demold. You may end up with a little bit of extra resin on the sides of your dominoes. If so, it's really easy to just pull it right off. Now I like to do my dots with a paint marker. I prefer an oil-based paint marker, and I typically do white, but you can do black, you can do really any colors that you want. You can do gold, silver. It is totally up to you. And feel free to also just use something other than a marker. You could use regular acrylic paint and a paintbrush, or really whatever you want. I think the paint marker is easiest. Now you will have a little bit of excess, especially since the marker doesn't quite fit into that thin line. So to handle any excess marker, I typically let it dry. I then spray a little piece of paper towel with some 91% isopropyl alcohol and then just wipe it clean. Comes off very easily. I like to let it dry first so that you're not wiping any of the wet marker from the dots. And here is the complete set. I think these look awesome. I hope that you guys enjoyed this as much as I did, and let me know if you decide to make them. I would love to see your versions. I'll see you guys next time.